Okay, so this is the HP Chrome computer, and honestly, a great option if you're not looking to spend thousands of dollars on a new MacBook from Apple. So what I really like about this is it has a bunch of ports on the side right here. The new Macs don't even have a USB port anymore, so this is really nice to have to charge your phone or upload documents through your phone. It also has the aux cord and a couple other spots. This is the charger right here. Features this type of head. Charges pretty quick, actually, faster than you'd think. It has another USB port on the side. This is what it looks like when you open it up. Pretty standard for computers. It's run by an Intel chip, which is awesome. Pretty normal keyboard right here. The keys feel pretty good. Volume buttons right here, and shows your recent items there. But if you go here, it shows everything you need, all your apps, Google Drive, everything Google is already built in, which is really nice because your profile for this computer is through Google, so you won't have to sign in a bunch of times. This is really great if you're working through spreadsheets or Google Docs and just need to make a bunch of documents. This is great for students, and overall, just a great computer for the price.